Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.